Hello guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Balram Prasad and I'm working with Microsoft as a senior software engineer. And in today's demo, we are going to see how we can write streaming event to Delta Lake table using Azure Stream Analytics. Delta Lake is an open format that brings reliability, quality, and performance to data lakes. In Azure Stream Analytics allow us to directly write streaming data into Delta Lake without writing a single line of code. We can enable this into few clicks, and that is what we are going to see in this demo. So let's start the demo. For this demo, we are into Azure portal and streaming demo resource group. This is our event hub namespace. Let's go inside event hub. This is event hub where we will enable jobs. So let's start the data generator app first, which is configured to send this event hub. Per minute event will be 500, and this is generating telemetry data for click stream event based on different browser, what is the gate post URL, random generating that protocols and user ID. So let's start this data generator. Now it is started. I'm going inside process data of event hub. In here we have an option for we can use no code drag and drop experience with Azure Stream Analytics. So let's go for Delta Lake format one. I want to save this stream into Delta Lake. So let's start this name. Now let's set up the event hub. This is our event hub where event is coming. Click stream event namespace. Consumer group is default. So let's select that. It is now able to going to detect data preview and able to, will be seeing that what data is coming. We should be also able to see the data. Let's wait for that. So this is the data is coming right now. I want to save few only data, so I'm going to remove this field request and response field. I want to save the data into Delta Lake with event type, user ID, IP, browser, and few more details. So let's save this data lake section now, and I'm going to select this other container, this container where Delta Lake demo is there account. If we go inside this our resource group and streaming demo, we have one this storage where DFS is enabled and hierarchical namespace is enabled. If we go into a storage browser, into blog container, into Delta Lake demo, right now there is nothing inside that one. So let's go inside Delta Lake, and now we have to provide a Delta Lake path. So let's say that click stream, and let's connect this. This is what it is going into inside into Delta Lake table. So this is how it is going to look like. Now we can save this job and we can start. It will take few minutes to start this job. Now this stream job is started successfully. Let's go inside our lake and let's see that what it is max 1 minute, so or 2000 row. So let's wait for 1 minute 2000 row at least. So yeah, now I can see that folder here. So it is Delta log folder, and right now it says that it is in preview, that format Delta Lake preview serialization format. So let's try to see this format from Synapse, because if we go into here, we can download the Parquet also, direct Parquet, and we can see to get a visualization that how it looks like. So if we go see this IP and users and other things is going, but this format is compact format, that is why it looks like this one. So let's go inside our Spark, and then we can see that we have link service for that. This is that link service. So if we have link service, if we go inside link service section, we should be able to see this Delta Lake demo here and click stream. And inside click stream, we should be able to see Parquet. We can try to generate the code from here also. This is the code we can get used to, but if I will run here, it will take some time to session start. So I have session start, so I can go here and I can try to run this one, but it is right now running directly to Parquet file. That should not be in Delta, is another format, so we can put the details after this one. So let's this run first a single file. Till the time it is running, I can change this one to Delta, and this file should go away. It should be this one only. Job execution in progress. We can see some data is coming, but it in Delta. So let's see that in the next query. Now we can see in Delta Lake format also. So this is what I wanted to share with you, that how we can enable real-time streaming data and save into Delta Lake using Azure Stream Analytics. Thank you.